Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you log out of your account on your Lumosity app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here. So when you just click here on more, so when you click here on more here, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on account settings here, and just click here on account settings. It's going to take you to next step here. Then you just click here on logout. When you just click here on logout here, then it's going to take you out of your account here on your Lumosity app. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.